men I'm talking about.
And then you just didn't do anything.
No.
It's like going to Nando's, touch the chicken, smell the chicken, and then leave.
To be honest, I think
you have to drink.
No.
You have to drink. That's just wrong. Just drink, please. Hello, sunny beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. And if you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe, and I am a South African content creator and stand-up comedian currently based in the UK. And in today's video, I have Msindos. And Msindos is my partner in a new podcast that we have started, and we are going to be telling you more about the podcast. But I want you to get to know Msindos, and I'm going to be playing a game with her called Never Have I Ever. And I don't know, guys, do you want me to go hard? Should I give her an option? Or should I just be nice and ask her things like, never have I ever brushed my teeth, and never have I ever had an ice cube, like, or should I go like real over the age of 18, never have I ever?
Yeah, I think you should go for it.
Can you confirm that you are over the age of 18?
I am, yes, I confirm.
Okay, she's confirmed, so nothing is off limits. But before we get to do that, please do introduce yourself and let that Thenjiwe Unplugged tribe get to know you.
Hi guys, thank you so much for having me. I just want to say thank you, girl, for inviting me. Thank you for having me. I'm really excited about this game and also for the podcast that we're about to do. My name is Msindos, as you said earlier. I am a radio and TV presenter. I also organize events. The one that I'm known for is Miss Southern Africa UK.
Miss Southern Africa UK. And Usindi is based here in the UK. And you've been here for quite a long time.
Quite a long time. Quite a long time. Let's just say my firstborn is 29, so...
Ooh, definitely over 18. And
yes.
You came here before Nelson Mandela came out of prison. But we're not going to get into that, because when you watch our podcast, you will get to know even me. You'll get to know me even more. What's the name of the podcast?
It's Africans Living Abroad.
And what is it about?
It's about Africans living abroad. We just want to know everything about people who live abroad, their experiences, everything. It's just we're going to come out and talk and discuss about everything.
But people are posting on social media. Why is it important to have a podcast where we can go on social media and look at people who are living abroad and see the kind of life that they live?
Because that life that you see is not real. This one is core. We're talking about things that are happening, things that are affecting people, things that make people happy being in this country. So we're going to discuss, and as time goes on, we'll have guests who will tell us their experiences in this country or abroad in general. Yeah, it's going to be good.
Well, let's hope you guys are going to not just take Msindos' word for it and go and subscribe. And the first episode is going to go live on the 6th of November. And then after that, every Sunday, you will get a new episode. And obviously, we want to know and we want to hear from you. What is it that you want to see? What is it that you want to watch? What is it that you want to ask the questions?
Yeah,
because this is a podcast for you, and it's not just for people who live abroad. It's for people who are curious about what it's like to live outside of the continent of Africa. Is the grass greener? Are there job opportunities like we have been told? And are people really earning a lot of money? What the cost of living compared to how much people are earning, and all those things? Which countries can you go to without needing a visa? Do people regret leaving the continent of Africa? Do they love it? Like, it's going to be a whole lot of everything that you ever wanted to find out. And also, if you have lived abroad and went back to Africa, we want to hear from you. Why did you leave? All I can say is just go and subscribe.
Yes, you will really, especially for people who have always wanted to come here, but they never get the right information. So we would help in a way. And also the people that have relatives here, but they are based at home, they need to know more information, because it's really, unfortunately, people don't tell the truth about being abroad.
People don't tell the truth in relationships and marriages, but that's not where we are. And
True.
let us play a game. I don't know, have you ever played Never Have I Ever?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so it's going to be even more interesting. I've got a special drink, a special brew. It's very nice. And why is it disappointing me? It's the nails. See? It's lights up. It's nice. And every time you get the answer, I don't want to say wrong, because there's no right answer, there's no wrong answer, just your experience.
Yeah.
If you have never, you must drink for why have you not?
Okay.
After living and being alive for so many years, what are the things you haven't done?
Yeah.
Why have you not done it?
Right.
For me, I wrote these questions, so I probably have done all these things. So I don't even know if you want me to answer with you, or you
I
just...
think we should ask both of us.
let's do it
Yeah,
together.
we should.
And
yeah.
if you have, could you explain?
Explain. Okay, no problem.
Could you explain?
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is I have. So if you have, you show I have to the camera. If you have not, you show I have not to the camera.
Right.
I am sorry. They have broken, because sometimes they are played on certain nights where people are not the most responsible. And let us start. Taste the drink and see if you like it.
Okay.
I'm not mean. I'm not going to give you something that's not nice to drink. I'm not going to give you something that's you're not going to enjoy. Is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay. It's not the best.
It's not the best. It's okay.
not the
For
worst.
me, yeah, for me,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's
because
drinkable.
obviously I can't be too nice to you and give you something that's really nice. I have to give you something that's...
Yeah. No, it's okay. It's fine.
And do please write your address, because by the time you leave here, I might need to order a cab for you. Okay, I'm going to be very nice to you.
Okay.
I've got 2 sets.
Right.
I've got purple, I've got pink.
Right.
Choose the color.
Purple.
We want to get to know you. Why?
Okay, pink then. You know them anyways. Okay, let's go for pink then. Let's do pink.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll do 1 pink, 1 purple.
Yeah,
1 pink,
yeah,
1.
that's
I really
fair.
wanted you
Yeah.
to choose pink. And I knew pink is your favorite color. I thought you would choose pink. So
Yeah. Okay. Well. Yeah. Actually, both of them are my favorite colors. So yeah.
Okay, this is us getting to know you. So
Okay.
please be honest.
Yeah.
Unless it's something that might land you in jail.
Okay.
Please do ask to pass.
Okay.
But if you ask to pass, you must finish whatever is in the glass.
Oh. Okay. All right. Okay, let's do it.
Because
I'm
it
ready.
means you are not explaining.
I'm not explaining at all. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. All right, let's do it.
Because some things are not for... I know they say if it's not on the gram, it's a scam. But some things are not for the internet.
Absolutely.
So I'm being kind. Anyway, let's go for it.
Right.
Never have I ever punched someone.
I have.
Ooh, we want to know. Have I?
I have.
I think I have.
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
But that was
Yeah.
a long, long time ago. I was a teenager.
Here or back in South Africa?
Back home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, everyone. I think most teenagers have done it.
I've done it. And how it happened, I was sitting down minding my own business. This girl, for some reason, I don't know what the issue was. I can't remember. But she came and I remember I was sitting down, facing, it was break time. So she just comes in and then she just whacked me. I'm like, what's going on? So, because there were people around us, so they moved. I said, because I was wearing a jacket as well, it was winter, I was wearing a jacket. So I thought, okay, I think I have to handle this. So I got up, I took up my jacket, I was like, let's go outside. I punched the hell out of her. I beat the girl, and she was light in complexion. Guess where she was from? Guamash.
How could you beat somebody from Guamash? No, this is war. This is war. I'm from Guamash. Nobody beats us. Nobody does that.
And she was blue. Like, she was really, really bad. And from then on, I thought, you know what, because I'm left-handed. So I thought, you know what, I need to take it easy. I don't want to fight. So rather, let's just talk about things, because my left hand hits hard. So, yeah, that was the last time. I said, okay, I'm not going to fight no more. I actually felt sorry for her afterwards, because she was really bad. Both eyes.
Okay. Never have I ever had a threesome.
I would say I've never and I have. I will explain.
Never but have.
Yeah.
So it's like this.
It's like this.
Okay, do explain, please.
Okay. I've been in bed with 2 other individuals, but there was no sex involved.
As in, you've shared a bed with more than 2 people?
Yeah.
No, we're talking about clove. We don't care about sharing a bed. Like, everyone shares a bed with their mom and their grandmother.
That's why I said individuals, because they were not relatives.
Oh, I've shared a bed with my friends.
Okay, all right. Men, I'm talking about.
And then you just didn't do anything?
No.
It's like going to Nando's, touch the chicken, smell the chicken, and then leave.
To be honest, I think
you have to drink.
No.
You have to drink. That's just wrong. Just drink, please. Huh.
But
At
I
least
didn't
mine
do
is
anything.
clear, straightforward. I have never.
Okay.
Oh, you should drink for not have. I have never. So
Exactly. So you had to do it. We have to do it twice. Because you made me drink.
yeah, because you have never, but you have. But you have
okay.
never.
All right. Fair enough.
Huh.
Okay. Fine. Let's
Go
do
to
it.
Pepple.
Right.
Never have I ever lied about my age.
Oh, I have. But not a lot. I don't lie about my age, but I don't reveal my age. You know what I mean? So, like, for example, if a guy is asking me how old are you, I just say you never ask a woman her age. You know, so that's really it.
Then I tell them I am today years old.
Yeah.
With me, I lie about my age where there's a benefit.
Yeah.
I'm one person who's very open about their age because I'm happy to be the age that I am.
Yeah.
Both my parents didn't reach this age. So for me, it's like I wear my age with a badge of honor.
Yeah.
Where I come
Yeah.
from, if you get to this age, the village throws a party.
Yeah, and looking good at your age, it's well. It's very
Bella, now,
important.
no, don't make it like my
No,
age
Bella.
is that big. I look my age. Come on now. And
I was talking about
but
me.
I do lie about my age where there's a benefit.
Yeah.
If they say over 50s gets it for free, me,
You're
I
there.
am over 50.
Right.
If they say under 30s get into the club for free before
You
10, I'm under
qualify,
30. If
yeah.
they say it's for under 18s, I'm there and under 18. If they say you have to be of a pension age, I am there as a pension. You know, I will be any age.
Yeah.
That has a benefit on that day.
Yeah.
And
So we don't drink.
we don't drink.
We don't. Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
because we have.
Yeah.
And never have I ever taken nude photos of myself or someone
Oh,
else.
I've never. Yeah.
Not full, but I have taken, like, even when I was pregnant, I did a pregnant
The
photo shoot.
shoot.
But it would show everything, but maybe, yeah. So I have.
I've never. I've always refused to do it.
Never have I ever owned a sex toy.
Have I?
I have.
I have.
I have so many because sometimes I do comedy in very questionable places where the gift is always like a bag full of sex toys. And one time we had just done a show called Beaches, and one of our sponsors was an adult toy shop. So I had like seriously a briefcase. These things were like tools, different colors, shades, sizes, everything.
Yeah.
And my aunt came to visit, and you know how our African aunties are like. Well, they want to clean. You leave them in your house. They want to do spring cleaning.
Yeah, that's
and then
my
she
mom.
found them. She was so worried about me. When I came back home, she was like, I need to call uncles and everyone from home.
There's a problem.
Listen, she was calling me Pipioloch. She was
How many were there?
maybe 11, 12.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Ooh.
She was calling me Pipioloch, Shem. She was so worried about me. She thought
She really thought that you were using them all.
Yeah, and I tried using. I don't like them.
I know,
Yeah,
right?
I had a friend who was very elderly and who thought I was mad for not owning one. So she once bought me one just as a gift. I tried it, but it's just not me. I know for a lot of people it works and they love it. And Yeah, so even now I've got even unopened. If you want, please contact me.
Me,
I've even thought of opening a shop and start selling that.
You'll make a lot of money, actually.
Make a lot of money.
Yeah,
Because
definitely.
it's not the thing you can send to a charity shop. It's not a thing you can donate.
No.
It's not a thing you can like re-gift a friend with.
Yeah, my friend did. I was gonna say, a friend of mine when in college, she actually sent me one. She gave me one, but it was hers.
I hope it wasn't used.
It wasn't used. She gave it to me. I tried it. I didn't like it. And that was a long time ago. I haven't. And another thing for me,
And I don't like the smell of anything plastic.
yeah, and for me, I'm very spiritual. I do believe that when you're having sex, you have to have a partner. If you do it on your own, I believe that it's not the right way to do it. That's just my own belief. So
then you would have
I
been
would
born with a
rather-
partner if God
yeah,
wanted
no,
that.
but I
I know, I'm
prefer.
just being-
Do you know what I mean? But yeah, I would not use that. No, I need to have someone to enjoy sex.
I'm the same. I like the intimacy, and penetration is the last thing I'm worried about. I'm not. Yeah, but anyway, we did say the show is gonna be for
over 18s.
Which color did I
It
just
was
do? I need to
pink.
do purple.
Yeah,
Never have I ever been awake for 2 days straight.
I have.
I have. We don't even need to explain. I think most people have done it.
Yeah, there's the last one that I did was a few years ago. I was going through the most at that time, and somehow I don't know. I just came up with the idea. I was like, let's see who's going to be awake for Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
And remember, we also do it in African churches. If you grew up in Africa,
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes there'll just be people just doing church for 48
Yeah,
hours in your house. And
so I was like, let's see who's the last man standing, and I was so tired. Damn, but yeah.
And as Africans, people, they over church. Sometimes I'm sure God needs a break from
It
us. But that's
does.
a story for another day.
Yep.
So we go back to pink now.
Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever had clove with more than one person at the same time. Well, it's very similar to the other one, so we won't count it.
Yeah.
Never have I ever done it in the kitchen counter. When we say done it, we're talking about
The clove kitchen counter. I have actually. Oh, I have.
Okay. The host doesn't need to answer this one.
Okay. Why not?
I make the rules.
But you have to explain though still.
Never have I ever been on TV or radio.
Okay. We both have.
Yeah, we have.
We have.
Back to pink. Never have I ever fooled around in my siblings' bed. Doesn't apply because you don't have any siblings. Do you wish you had siblings?
Sometimes, not all the time.
If you were to choose, would you choose a brother or a sister?
A brother, because I'm a decision maker. Obviously, because I've been an only child since. So I would have loved to have a big brother that I can talk to and ask advice and stuff like that. So yeah, I would have.
But not all big brothers are responsible. And
I would have made him to be, for sure.
Never have I ever flashed a bartender for a free drink.
No,
You have.
I had
Hey,
never.
those days in Woolwich.
I know.
Please
Oh
don't.
hell no!
Please
No! I've never. No, I've never. I swear I've never.
Drink then. Drink.
Oh,
Me too. I will drink on this one.
why? Because you have though. You've never.
No, I've never like flashed a
Yeah,
shot in my body.
no,
I mean,
yeah.
I will talk my way into it.
Yeah, exactly.
And this drink is not the best though.
It's alright.
But we've got nicer drinks if we. I like people winning. I like if you win. Like what's there to win? Okay, we'll do 3 more.
Yep.
Should we do 3 from each color, or just
Yeah, 3
random
from each.
3 from each color?
Yeah.
So it's 6 more.
Yeah.
So let's go purple.
Purple. Yeah.
Okay, this is just the rules of the game.
Okay.
Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight. Never.
I have. Oh my God.
Fell in love with the person or their wealth.
Not the wealth. No, it was. I guess it was. I guess it was the physique more than anything. I mean, he was a hunk. Like, come on, 6'2", feet. Like, oh
Did
my
you end
god.
up going, like, having a relationship?
Yeah, we got married.
Ooh.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you drink then?
I was gonna ask, like, did stuff happen the first night, but don't answer
No, it
because
didn't.
that's your husband. So don't.
No, it did not. No, it was actually my 21st birthday. Yeah.
And how long after that did you get married?
2 years later. Yeah.
Oh, this one is stupid.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This one is too much. This one is for when you're drinking with your friends and the privacy of your own home.
Yeah, exactly.
Never have I ever had clove outdoors.
Should we explain?
No, let's pass. Like, time is running out.
Okay, yeah. Moving on. I'm sure they would like to know more. You know that, but we're not saying it. No, I'm not.
Explain.
No, you do. You do it.
Okay, never have I ever. This is just
Okay.
the game card thing. Never have I ever worn my clothes inside out the entire day.
Not the entire
I have
day.
worn them inside out, but where I come from, we believe if you wear them inside out, you're gonna have bad luck unless you take them off and put them the right way at exactly 12 o'clock.
Oh, okay. I didn't know anything about that.
So even when 12 o'clock strikes, even if you are in a bus, on the train, like walking in a shopping mall, you have to take your clothes off and put them the right way.
What if it's your underwear?
You have to.
Wow. Okay.
But normally with underwear, you don't see.
You don't see.
Yeah.
It maybe it's afterwards then you realize that. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Okay, never have I ever had phone sex.
I have.
Do you find it interesting?
That was a long time ago. I mean, before mobile phones, you know. So, actually, it was an accident. Somebody called me, and no, did I call the person? I can't remember. And then the person on the other end enjoyed my voice, and so we started talking. And then he said, "Can I call you back?" It was a wrong number. It was a wrong number. He called, but it was a wrong number.
Couple that got married through wrong number.
Yeah. So we started talking, and then I was like, "Oh my god," you know. Then we did for a while. Yeah, it was fine. I was young, so it was okay.
Lord have mercy.
Now, would I do it now? No.
I have never found it interesting. I've had people who think they've had done it with me, but I'm like, guess what I'm touching? That time I'm touching my nose and.
Yeah, that's true. You're supposed to be drinking.
Oh yeah, which I don't mind.
Of course. We are adults.
Okay, so. 2 from each.
Yeah.
Where are we now? Okay, purple. Never have I ever cried while drunk.
Oh my god, I have.
I have never. I would love to cry.
I have. I think for me it's when I tell a story and then it takes me to that moment.
Hey, and you have.
And I have. You know, yes, I have.
You definitely have.
Yeah, I have. Do I have to drink for that?
No.
Oh, okay.
I drank.
Yeah, oh, okay. Yeah, I have.
Yes, you have.
know I have, yeah. Yeah, okay.
I envy people who can do it. I wish I could do it.
I do it a lot, actually.
Mina, when I've had a drink, I don't want music. I just want to be the center of attention. I am funny when I'm... Yes.
Yep.
I want everyone to listen to me. I feel like, who's that person singing? Do you even know them? Listen to my stories. I wish I had like someone who would record me every time, because I think my best jokes are there.
Okay, thanks for telling me. Now I can do it.
No, don't.
Do it. Why not? You
I
just
also
said.
don't want someone to record me because...
No, but then I'll tell you. I was
moment.
like, girl, it's that time. I'm doing it. I will not do it in secret. I will tell you.
No, I am. Yeah, I think I am funny, and people will remind me and I make up stories. And people will remind me stories, and it's stories I do not know.
But don't
I think I could write movies.
don't you get caught in your lie though? Don't you
No.
You
But
don't forget.
The thing is, it's not lying. It's
What,
just
you
for
create-
purpose of entertainment.
Oh, okay.
I
okay.
create
But then, don't you
stories.
get to a point where you don't know what to say next because you're creating it?
No.
You keep
How
going.
can I not know? I'm the master of improvisation.
Oh, okay.
How could
Fair
I not
enough.
know?
Okay.
I always know. No.
So how do I know then you're telling the truth or not?
No, it's never anything malicious.
Now I
It's
know,
never-
but then obviously it's gonna be something funny for sure. But then would just say, guys, that was a joke. It never happened.
No. What will happen is, for example, if I'm talking about you being here today,
Yeah.
I will just add things that will make the story
okay.
funny.
I get it. Okay.
So I'm not gonna make up a whole thing
whole
that never
thing,
happened.
okay.
But I will take a thing that happened like
Then
in 2 minutes, and
exaggerate
I'll make
it.
it an hour,
Ah,
and
right.
I'll keep adding. Even if you were there, you will laugh yourself, but you'll be like, hey, but I don't remember that
I
part.
don't remember.
Yeah, I just add like
Right.
I decorate. I put the
Okay. Fair enough.
okay. I think it's the
I
last
think
one now
it's-
from the pink.
I think so.
Yeah,
We're not
okay.
even counting.
Last
yeah,
one
but I
from the
think
pink.
so. Yeah.
Never have I ever screamed so bad while having cloth that my neighbors could hear it.
Oh Lord.
Huh? Maybe they had it, but they've never told me. I hope they would tell. Well, they shouldn't.
I have.
But I was
Because-
gonna say, because I live in a, what you call this, soundproof
Yeah.
place.
Yeah.
But one time I did hear my neighbors.
Oh.
And there's even, at the end of my apartment, there's a, what you call this, control room.
Yeah.
And then before you get to my neighbors.
Right.
But I heard them.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So they were really loud, but they were drunk.
I was gonna say, when you're drunk, you're more relaxed. You just be yourself. So I just let it happen, and unfortunately, the neighbors had, and they actually knocked. Yeah, it was that. Yeah, because I'm loud anyway, so it's worse when I'm drinking.
Guys, please do share your experiences. Let my friend Msindos know
Yeah.
that she's not the only one
Please.
who's experienced.
I hope my kids don't watch this.
They better not.
Oh my God! They shouldn't.
Maybe if they watch, they'll be like, "Oh, so that's why I'm loud. I got it from my mom."
But it will be embarrassing, though. My God, they're boys.
At least they're boys.
Oh God.
Okay. Last one from the purple.
Mm-hmm.
Never have I ever looked through someone else's phone without their permission.
I hate that.
I have never.
I
don't
hate
do
that.
that.
I don't know.
Even my sons,
No.
I don't do that.
No,
I
no,
think
no,
it's
no.
very
It's
rude.
very.
It's like reading somebody's diary,
Yep.
and it's not just because it could be someone who's planning a surprise party for you. It could be someone who's planning. Yeah, when you're looking at their phone, what if you end up seeing their money, their bank
Not even that.
statements?
It's just their
I think it's rude.
privacy. It's their privacy. That is why I always say, girls do that a lot. The boyfriend's phone. Why? Because you're gonna find something you're not looking. You find what you're looking for, and then it might cause problems because you're not supposed to see what's in there. Just let it be. I don't like it. I don't like
For
it.
me, when it comes to like finding them, like maybe cheating and things, yes, I would love to, because I'd rather know.
But not by checking
when
the
it
phone.
comes to phones, I think phones carry so much sensitive information, because you could be looking at my phone and find my hospital appointment about something I was not ready to tell you about.
Exactly. Yeah, it's just privacy. Just don't.
And like people who record conversations.
Yeah,
when
oh
you're
my
talking to
God,
them on
I
the phone,
hate
or
that.
people who forward your
voice notes.
Like
Yeah.
if I want to gossip about you, I must just say, Usindi said this and this.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna then forward. What you
No, I
said.
think it's out of order. I hate it. I don't like that at all. It's just not me. I hate it.
Unless it's like a funny voice note or it's something stupid. But when it comes to
Oh yeah, it's no. If a conversation was meant for you and it ends there, why forward it?
So let's drink.
Let's drink.
I like answers where I haven't done it. 'Cause I get to drink. And that was the end of our Never Have I Ever. We should have
Loved
counted
it.
and see who had more I haves and who had more
Nah.
I have never.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for coming to join us. Where can people find you?
Okay, you can find me on Facebook by the name of Msindos, and my surname is Duma, Duma. I'm also on TikTok, Msindos, and Instagram, Msindos1. So thank you for having me. This was fun.
Thank you. I'm glad you loved it.
Loved it very much so.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. And I'm going to put the link to the podcast, Africans Living Abroad, where you can follow us. And we would really appreciate your support. And comment down below and share, answer these questions. Tell us if you have or if you have never. And I am going to also put Msindos's social media links so that you can follow her and see what she is about and what she's up to. Yes. And I promise you one thing, you will enjoy the podcast.
Oh, definitely. Oh my God, we're so excited. We can't wait, So definitely, I mean, it's going to be amazing. And please do share, because what we are talking about, it's something that it might help someone in the future, Yes. So it's very important that you share it. Don't just keep it to yourself. But yes, please.
And that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye.